Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. If you are an Android user, you might have faced Bluetooth connectivity issues at some point, whether it is trouble connecting to your wireless earbuds, car audio, or another Bluetooth device. Today, we will be walking through 6 effective steps to troubleshoot and fix these Bluetooth problems. Here's a quick overview of what we will be covering. 1. Toggling Bluetooth on and off. 2. Restarting your Android device. 3. Forgetting and repairing devices. 4. Checking for software updates. 5. Clearing Bluetooth cache. 6. Resetting network settings. By the end of this video, you should have your Bluetooth connection back up and running smoothly. Let us jump right into it. Step 1. Turn Bluetooth on and off. Sometimes the easiest fixes are the most effective. To start troubleshooting, let us try turning Bluetooth off and back on again. This can refresh your phone's connection with other Bluetooth devices. Swipe down for quick settings. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings panel. Toggle Bluetooth off and on. Tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off. Wait a few seconds and then tap it again to turn it back on. Reconnect your device. After toggling, try reconnecting your Bluetooth device. If this didn't work, no worries. We've got more troubleshooting steps coming up. Step 2. Restart your Android phone. The next thing to try is restarting your phone. A reboot clears minor glitches and refreshes the system, which can fix Bluetooth connectivity problems. Press and hold the power button. Hold down the power button until the power menu appears on your screen. Select Restart. Tap on Restart and let your phone reboot. Reconnect your Bluetooth device. Once your phone restarts, attempt to reconnect your Bluetooth device. Sometimes this simple reboot can clear up any issues that were causing the problem. If not, let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Forget and repair your Bluetooth device. Sometimes your phone might have trouble reconnecting to a device due to an old pairing record. In this case, you will need to forget the device and pair it again from scratch. Go to Settings, Bluetooth. Open the Settings app on your phone and select Bluetooth. Find your device. Scroll down to the list of paired devices and find the one that is causing problems. Tap Forget or Unpair. Select the device, then choose Forget or Unpair to remove it from your phone. Repair the device. Now, put your Bluetooth device back into pairing mode and reconnect it to your phone. This can fix issues caused by corrupted pairing data, and a fresh connection may solve your problem. Step 4. Check for software updates. If your phone's software is out of date, it might cause Bluetooth connectivity problems. Let us make sure you are running the latest version of Android. Go to Settings, System, Software Update. Head into your phone's settings, then tap System and Software Update. Check for updates. If there's a new update available, go ahead and install it. Restart your phone. After installing the update, restart your phone to ensure everything is working smoothly. Software updates often include bug fixes that can resolve connectivity issues, so it is always a good idea to stay up to date. Step 5. Clear Bluetooth cache. Bluetooth, like other services on your phone, accumulates cache files that can sometimes cause problems. Let us clear those out. Go to Settings, Apps, Bluetooth. In Settings, go to Apps or Application Manager and find Bluetooth. Clear cache and data. Tap on Storage and then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Restart your phone. After clearing the cache, reboot your phone and try connecting your Bluetooth device again. Clearing the cache can often fix more stubborn Bluetooth problems by removing old corrupt files. Step 6. Reset network settings. If all else fails, resetting your network settings might be your best option. This will reset your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options. Head to System in your settings, then tap on Reset Options. Select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Choose to reset your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings, then confirm your selection. Reconnect your devices. After the reset, you will need to reconnect all your devices. This will wipe out all network settings but can resolve any deeper connectivity issues that might have been causing problems. And there you have it, 6 troubleshooting steps to help you fix Bluetooth connectivity problems on your Android phone. Whether you are toggling Bluetooth on and off, repairing devices, or resetting network settings, these solutions should have you back up and running in no time. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more helpful tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.